Hi everybody, this is me, the lady that loves math, and I'm going to do a multiplication video tonight for 4th grade. This is the standard, and I want us to get a little closer, Bree, so you can see this. I want us to see what we're going to be doing tonight because it's way different than what we used to have to do. So we're multiplying whole digit, 4th graders are multiplying whole digit up to 4 digits by 1 digit. So it'll look something like this, 4 by 1. And they have to do 2 digit by 2 digits. That can look like this, 23 times 52. Now the key is using. So we're going to be using strategies based on place value and properties. And they have to illustrate and explain their calculations. Not just, this is my answer. They have to explain and illustrate using equations, rectangular arrays, and or area models. This time tonight, we're going to be focusing on the place value and the area model. So come over to my lovely example here. We're going to be doing 26 times 75. How did we learn how to do that? Well, you know how we did it. We used to stack the numbers on the top, and then we would do 5 times 6 and carry 3 and put it on top and all of these procedures. Now, tonight we're going to be doing a strategy based on place value using the area model. The reason we have an area model, students like this. I believe it resembles a graphic organizer, keeps their thoughts organized, their numbers organized. And we have 4 boxes tonight, and I'll show you why. We are going to be breaking apart these factors by place value. These are factors because factor times factor equals our product. And of course we want our product. So how do we break apart 26 by place value? We're going to pull out those 10s. 2 10s is 20. And then we have our 6. So we have this broken apart. This factor is broken apart by place value. Then we're going to go over to our second factor. And down here, right here, this is why we have 4 boxes, because we are breaking these 2 numbers apart. So 75, we're going to do 7 10s as what? 70, you got it. And then we have 5. So then we're going to do like we used to do with the multiplication chart, and we're going to multiply within the box. So we're going to be multiplying 70 times 20. So we know that 7 times 2 is 14, but we want them also to know with base 10, 70 times 20 is going to be 1,400. Then we'll go down to 20 times 5. We know what that is. It's 100. Then we move over here. 6 times 7 is 42, so I know that 6 times 70 is 420. And then we have 6 times 5 down here is 30. What we do now is we add up all of these partial products. So we have 1,400 or 1,400 plus 420. It's going to give us 1,820, and we're going to be adding 130. We're going to do this standard algorithm way since this is a 4th grade standard. And guess what? We now have our product. We never had to explain what that 3 was when we carried it, because guess what? Everything is broken out by place value. You can understand all of the calculations, and we have friendly numbers here. Look at that, friendly numbers that end in 0. So much easier to multiply, and we don't have to say, oh, you forgot your placeholder and all of these other things. Now, let me say this, parents, be at ease. They will learn our way, but when they do, they'll have meaning behind it, okay? If you have any questions, just leave me a comment.